Alright, welcome back. We're still under creating charts and tables. We're at number 30. 30 says move to slide 10 and insert a table that is 3 columns by 4 rows. So a 3 by 4 table. Label the column headings title, author, and genre. So slide 10, insert table here. I'm going to insert table, 3 columns, 4 rows. So 3 by 4 table. Title, author, genre. 31. Move to slide 9. This should be a duplicate of slide 8. And there is a duplicate. Delete slide 9. You can simply delete, right clicking on the slide and deleting it. 32. On slide 8, which is the chart, change the chart style to 18, and actually the chart now is on slide 7. So we're going to change the chart to style 18. So under chart styles we find style 18, 29, 21, 18. 33. Change the chart type to 3D column. Edit the data in the chart as follows. Change the word data to 5, 3, 4, and 5 respectively. So chart type, .3D column. So column, and we want a 3D column. Okay, and now we are going to adjust the data in the chart. So let me close this, and we're going to edit the data. So under data, click edit data. Notice Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint comes up at the same time, so we can edit the data. So we're going to change this word data to 5, 3, 4, and 5. And as we're making the data, the real-time changes happen in PowerPoint. And we can close Excel, and the data has been changed. Number 34. Add data labels to the chart. Format these labels to gradient fill linear fire. So we're going to add data labels. So we're going to format. Under current selection, we want to go under data labels. So let's see. Alright, to add data labels to the chart, you go under the Chart Tools Contextual tab, the Layout tab in the middle, Data Labels, and you want to show the data labels. And now that we have the data labels, you select them, and you can format selection here, or you can simply right click and go down to Format Data Labels. Fill, and we want a gradient fill, linear, and under preset colors we want to change that to fire, and click close. We select another set of data, right click, fill, gradient, it's already preset, and the last set of data, right click, fill, gradient fill, and we have that completed. Number 35. Format the plot area to medium wood texture. If we want to go to a different area on the chart, go down to plot area in the current selection grouping, and then click Format Selection. And that is going to be a picture or text field. And we select medium wood, texture, and click OK. 36. Apply the Ferris wheel transition to slide 8. So slide 8. So transition is going to be the Ferris wheel. And it's under the dynamic content. And it gives you a little preview of what that transition is going to look like. Remember, transitions take one slide to the next slide. 37. Choose the dump truck illustration on slide 7. It's actually here on slide 8. We're going to add animation in the form of a horizontal figure 8. So we're going to click on the dump truck. I'm going to go to animations. And there are different animation paths. These are just kind of some of the popular ones. To see all of the motion paths, because that's what we're going to end up using as a motion path, I'm going to look for the figure 8. And it just said a horizontal figure 8. And when you click on it, I already have it selected to preview the effect so you can see what happens. And that's the figure 8. Number 38. Set the presentation to advance automatically after 10 seconds. So when we go to, we want each slide to go by itself after 10 seconds. The easiest thing to do is I'm putting it in slide sorter view, and I'm going to select using the shift key. I selected the first slide, and I'm going to select it to the last slide. And we're going to go to transitions. And we can set it to advance automatically. Unselect where it says mouse click and change that to 10 seconds. And now each slide, and you know this because under each slide it tells you the timing. So after 10 seconds. 39. Set the duration of the animation on slide 7 to 4 seconds. So we're dealing with slide 7. And we want the animation, and again, where we've done animation, this is actually on slide 8, so we're going to change this to 4 seconds for this animation. So once you click on the dump truck and go to animations, right now the duration is set for 2 seconds. We want to increase that to 4 seconds. Number 40, apply the doorbell sound transition to slide 2. Slide 2, we're going to transition. We want to add a sound, and that is the doorbell. And as you click on each one of them, it's going to give you, you can hear what each one of them is. And I don't see exactly the word doorbell. We could click other sound, but for right now, for time, we're just going to, let's see, do a chime. Let's see what we do for other sounds. That's if we had other sounds posted. But let's just pick one. We'll just stick with the applause, because I don't see it. So we'll stick with the applause for this one. Now that brings us, that's the end of applying transitions and animations. Now let's look at collaborating on presentations and preparing for delivery. And we're going to cover that in our last final video in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.